I'm creating a video game surrounding mental health. I wanted to use a video game as a platform to communicate and show support for people who struggle with mental illness. So in my game, it's first person where you walk around and interact with objects. So a lot of my process involves trying to think of what those objects might be that the player discovers and how that then communicates what's going on in the world around them.
My project is a client-based project. I'm working with Emma Francesca, who's also a part of the Young Adult Cancer Support Group. So she proposed an online graphic magazine that tells the stories and journeys of patients. The beginning of my process started off with a lot of hand illustrations and ink and watercolour. What I then did is move my work into Photoshop and InDesign.
My project is a marketing campaign for a Christchurch company called Cactus Outdoors. The main aspects of it are film and photography elements that will hopefully be used in their limited edition 25th anniversary marketing campaign. So for the process of the campaign, I started off by meeting with my client and talking about the mood and feeling of what my film will display, and then at the moment I'm creating a storyboard on how the film will work.
So a critique is when the Polytech invite professionals from the industry and we present our ideas to them and they give us industry-related feedback. The feedback that I received for my critique was really great and informative, and I think it's now given me a sense of direction of where I'm going to be going in the project and see how I can develop it further.
I think my crit went really well. Some of the feedback I got was, why was I not showing my bag until halfway through the film, and why was it black and white? But I think I defended my idea, and other feedback I got was take into consideration a byline, which I'd never thought about before.
Seeing my work at DeBrief was really exciting to see it in a completed format and presented the way I wanted it to. I was really happy with the VR and I think people really liked it.
At DeBrief it was really awesome to see friends and family interacting with the work we've done. It's really nice to actually take a step back from your project after that long of working on it and be proud of what you've done.
It was cool to work with a client while I was still studying. It gave me a really good foundation of the skills and the knowledge I need to pursue film and photography. It opened up my eyes to what was out there and what I was entering into for my future in design.
I've loved every minute of studying at Otago Polytechnic. To get out into the community and actually implement my design skills for a purpose and for people was really a highlight for me. And I've been given so many amazing opportunities here through different travel abroad programs to internships, and I think both of these have prepared me to work in the outside world and internationally, and I think moving forward I have those skills now to apply them with confidence.